Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To adjust the worksheet settings before printing it, open the Page Setup dialog box by clicking the Page Setup dialog box button in the lower right corner of the Page Setup button group on the Page Layout tab in the ribbon. Then click the Sheet tab within the dialog box. The Sheet tab lets you set additional worksheet printing options. You can enter or select a cell range to print into the Print Area field. You can click the Collapse Dialog button at the right end of this field to collapse the dialog box down. Then click and drag over the cells to print to set them as the print area. You must, however, then click the Expand Dialog button at the right end of the field to expand the dialog box again. Be careful when assigning a print area. Once set, it will always and forever print only that selected range of cells until you delete it. So be sure you delete the entry you make in this field before saving a worksheet. The Print Titles section lets you choose columns to repeat at the left of each printed page, or choose rows to repeat at the top of each printed page. To select rows to repeat at the top of each printed page, click the Collapse Dialog button at the right end of the Rows to Repeat at Top field. Then click anywhere into the row or rows you want to repeat at the top of each printed page. When finished, click the Expand Dialog button to expand the dialog box again. You can do the same thing with the Columns to Repeat at Left field to choose the columns to repeat at the left side of each printed page. In the Print section of the Sheet tab, you can check or uncheck the checkboxes to print or not print grid lines, black and white, draft quality, or row and column headings. You can also change the display of errors in cells by using the Cell Errors As drop-down to select blank. This makes cell errors appear as blanks. This helps if you are displaying an average in a formula that does not yet have information to average. Normally, a divide by zero error message appears in this case because you cannot divide by zero. You can change the error message by using this drop-down. Also, if you have inserted comments, you can use the Comments drop-down to select how to print the worksheet's comments or if they should be printed at all. In the Page Order section, you also set the print order of the worksheet pages to over then down, or down then over for very large worksheets that have page breaks that occur both horizontally and vertically.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.